Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the hard drive from a Dell Inspiron D130 laptop. So here we go, we've got the laptop right here. It's kind of an older model, but all we do, we flip this over, and so then we can see that there are a few different spots here that have compartments and with little screws. The one you're looking for, if they're nice and neatly labeled like these, is the one that says strike zone. So you can see here it says strike zone twice. That is where the hard drive is. So to pull that out, I have a little handy screwdriver kit with all kinds of different attachments. I'll put a link to this in the description below so you can get one for yourself. And then really simply line up on the screw and pop these guys out. Then lift this off. You can see there, that's the hard drive. They give you a handy little tab with an arrow on it that says pull, and there we go. The hard drive has now been removed. So we can take that out, throw it off to the side, put this back together, and we are all set. Now if you wanted to remove something else, say the RAM or the hardware, other hardware, you would do that in any of these other compartments. This is the battery, etc. So that is it. That is how to remove the hard drive from a Dell Inspiron D130 laptop computer.